on, Buffy Cats. This way.
Isn't it dangerous?
You can trust him, Pilou. Uncle Greg is a ranger cat. Uncle, can't we just eat here?
We better follow them, Pilou.
Go on, Buffy Cats. A ranger cat who hesitates is lost.
Wow, Uncle Greg is really tough.
Yeah, Lempo, and he knows a lot of trails. Too many.
I found the right trail.
Uncle Greg!
Here we go. Just like that time I crossed the longest and dirtiest puddle in the world. That was a tough one. That's why they gave me this badge.
Wow, how did he know that there was a log there?
Uncle Greg is a ranger cat. Uncle!
Can we stop here?
A ranger cat who hesitates is lost.
Okay, but we can't follow that trail. How do we cross the river? Buffy Cats, look! We can use that vine. I love adventure. Buffy Cats, on 3. 1, 2, 3! Follow me! 1, 2, 3! I didn't mean all at once!
Isn't this day trip awesome? And it's just getting started.
Come on, Buffy Cats! Let's catch up with Uncle Greg.
But I'm so hungry.
I got this badge for climbing Yarn Peak, using only my tail.
Watch your step, Buffy Cats!
Are we there yet, Uncle?
Not yet. I need to get higher to have a better view.
Uncle Greg!
I don't see the peak of Cat Mountain.
But how can he not see that rock is gonna fall?
Uncle Greg can't see well at all.
And you're telling us now?
The peak was over there. Once.
Buffy Cats, Uncle Greg could get hurt. We have to get him.
But Lampo, how can we get down there?
With these big leaves. We'll use them to glide.
They didn't move the peak, did they? It should be here. Oh, maybe over there.
Buffy Cats, move in!
Found it! That's the right direction.
Uncle Greg! Jump off that rock!
Where's Uncle Greg?
I've been on so many trips in my career as a ranger cat, but this is the most relaxing one, for sure. Right, Meatball?
Sure, Uncle. But can we stop and eat now? I'm hungry and I'm so tired.
Subscribe to the channel.